Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install Minecraft in Windows 11. If this video will be helpful guys, write down below in the comments that it helped you, so when other people would come here they'll be like, damn, it's really helpful. So what we need to do is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you got. So I'm going to write a search, Chrome, Google Chrome, and when I'm going to be here, I'm going to write in search Minecraft download. Then I'm going to see, my recommendation is go to the official website, and then you're gonna have the how do you want to play computer, and we have what platform do you prefer, PC, and then you're gonna have the select your edition which you want. We can go Windows 10 edition, or you want to go simply which one you want. So that's completely up to you which one you would choose. And then you want to click like Java Edition. You can buy it, or what you can do is one thing is play a free trial. So how we get to the free trial, that's the question, right? So when we would go here, games, Minecraft, try it free, and then Windows, scroll down below, download now. You see it right here. So again, we went to games, Minecraft, try it free next to the get Minecraft, scroll down below, download now. And yeah, right now you see that it's like right here, and then you like open it, and voila, here you got it. So you just like install it, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I will just like install it next, install, and yep. If you can have any questions guys, ask me down in comments. A Minecraft launcher. It's going to update. And here we go. So this is how we do it. Goodbye. This is how you can install Minecraft in Windows 11.